Meanwhile, China Evergrande Group is at the centre of the property crisis. It's the world's most indebted property firm and has lost more than 99% of its share market value over the past 3 years, as I understand it. Its share price continues to plummet.
It's been a brutal ride for investors in Evergrande. As you say, it's horribly indebted, billions in the red. Its share trading was suspended for a year and a half on the Hong Kong stock market. When it resumed yesterday, it promptly fell by 87% in a day. But it's not the only property giant in trouble. There's another enormous company, Country Garden, down in the south of China in Guangdong. And that is also failing to make bondholders, trying to negotiate with some of its creditors to see if it can pay them back a bit later. But that is $200 billion in debt at least. And it's also the builder of a lot of properties that have not been completed. So there are a large number of Chinese families now paying the mortgages on properties that are still an empty concrete shell.
What hopes are there for a turnaround for these companies, and how vital are they to the rebound in China's economy if that eventually happens?
The Chinese Communist Party has some astonishing resources at its disposal. It can make Chinese state-owned banks extend a lot of money, and I think you'll see a lot of pressure, certainly to build and finish those apartments that have been paid for, that needs to be delivered. But after that, you're looking at more structural problems about whether China's easy years of growth have ended, and whether the Chinese government's traditional response to trouble in the economy, which was pouring concrete, building all those impressive high-speed train lines, new airports, new highways, which was a tremendous, boon to infrastructure. This is a very modern country in many ways now. But there are only so many airports that a country needs. And they've poured a lot of concrete in recent years. And there's a real fear that the one thing that they need to do, which is restore just the confidence of ordinary Chinese, it's very hard for even the toughest dictatorship to order people to cheer up and be willing to spend.